Welcome. Today we're going to go ahead and look at automation with project variables. To do this, what we're going to do is create a global project variable, and we're going to utilize 4 CG Tech macros: the set component visibility, the mount component name, the mount to component name, and the message macro. In this completed example, you can see what we're going to do is select the style of chuck to use. So in the project variable, in this case, we'll go ahead and set it to a 1, which will load up the standard chuck style. We'll do a reset. That's going to take the change. And now we'll go ahead and change to a 2, which will be a cullet style chuck. Again, we'll go ahead and accept this. We'll do a reset, and there we have it. So let's take a look at how we can achieve this. Step 1, we'll define the variable. We need to define our new variable in the word format table. So we'll go ahead and add a new variable, and we'll just give it a name, a part holding type, and the type is going to go ahead and be a special. The subtype in this case will be variable name, and we'll go ahead and accept that, and that's it. Step 2, we're going to add it to the project variables. We'll go to the project tab. Under the variables, we'll find the project. We'll go ahead and add. The name will be the same as in step 1. We'll also give it a description. And in this case, the type will be integer. And we'll give it an initial value or a default of 1. And we'll go ahead and accept that. The third and final step, we'll go ahead and add the logic. In this example, we already have both solids loaded as components. We have the standard jaw, and we also have the cullet style. And we also have the attach point that will control with the automation. Now we'll go ahead and add the logic to the INI file in the machine settings. I'll go ahead and paste in the logic, and we'll go ahead and go through it. So if our variable that we created is going to equal a 1, what we're going to do is go ahead and set the different visibilities. So we'll go ahead and turn off the visibility of the chuck, and we'll turn on the visibility of the 3 jaw. Okay. Furthermore, we'll go ahead and add the attach component to the standard jaw. If we set it to a 2, that's going to go ahead and turn off the visibility to the standard jaw, and we'll go ahead and add the visibility to the cullet style, and again we'll go ahead and move the attach point and add it to the cullet. And then lastly, if it doesn't equal a 1 or a 2, we're going to go ahead and give the operator a message. First, what we'll do is go ahead and turn off the visibility of both the standard and the cullet style. We'll move the attach point to the spindle, and then we'll also give a message to the operator. And that's it. I want to thank everyone for watching.